guys, this is Scarlett at Build Across, and today I want to show you how I paint this Easter chick. First, I'm going to go in with the color Soft Pink, and I'm going to base coat my chicken. I'm doing things a little different here, but I don't know if you guys remember when you were little, they always dyed the chickens, so the little ducks and chicks at Easter would be pink and blue and all kinds of colors, so that's kind of what I was thinking of when I painted this. And I'm using a number 12 flat to paint him. And you guys, the brushes, the paint, the Dixie Belle paint, and the cutouts that I paint on, you can purchase all of them at buildacross.com. Also, sometimes you'll see me using a Sharpie brushstroke marker, and that can also be purchased online, and that is what I outline a lot of these paint by lines with. This one in particular, I'm not going to be doing that, but I really do love using that marker. So I'm going in with Lucky Lavender for the little poof on the top of his head. And then next I'm going to go in with Dixie Belle Blue for the egg at the bottom. Again, still using my number 12 flat. I just keep some water and paper towels around so that I'm able to just rinse and continue on. Next I'm going to go in with Florida Orange for his nose. So once I'm done with my Florida Orange, pretty much everything will have been base coated. So I'm going to dry everything just a little bit with my heat gun. And then I'm going to begin to outline. So I'm outlining here with Amethyst, and that's what I'm going in on the little poof on the top of his head. And now I'm going in with Peony, and again, this is a number 4 round that I'm outlining all this with. And then I'm going to outline my egg with Peacock, and again, still using that number 4 round. And then again, I'm just going to dry his little eye area so I'm able to go in and do the little outline on those. And I'm just outlining those with my Sharpie brushstroke marker. But of course you could use black paint if you wanted to. And now I'm going in and highlighting everything with my number 4 round and the color Cotton. And that'll complete my project. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a great day.